guys, I'm Lamia and today's video might surprise you a little. I'm going to share with you some tips on how to wash your face the right way. Yeah, sounds pretty basic, right? But cleansing your face is pretty much the foundation for your entire skincare routine. So stay tuned as I show you how it's done. Now I'll be super honest with you guys, I'm very inconsistent when it comes to washing my face. I either over cleanse it or under cleanse it without knowing what's best to do. But after thorough research, here's what I have found. Since I have a normal skin type, the recommended frequency to cleansing is twice a day, once in the morning and once in the night. But if you're someone who sweats a lot or have a very active day, it's good to cleanse an additional time to get rid of all that sweat, excess oil and dirt. But remember, you should never overwash your face as your skin can feel irritated. It could also lead to an overproduction of sebum. Now, if you have very oily skin, you too can wash your face twice a day. Excessive washing through the day could strip your face of its moisture and in turn cause it to produce even more oil. And that's really what you don't want. Now, if you're someone with dry or sensitive skin, I suggest washing your face only once because washing it twice may prove to be extremely irritating for your skin. So I suggest opt for a PM wash to remove all the makeup and dirt at the end of the day. In the morning, you could just wash your face with some water and skip the cleanser. Now that I've shared some basic information for every skin type, let's get into the right way to wash your face. While there were some obvious things I was doing right while cleansing, when I dug deeper, I realized that there were some common mistakes that were doing my skin more harm than good. So something which most people forget, which is extremely important in your cleansing routine, is choosing the right cleanser. So first things first, it's important to choose the right face wash. I totally understand that choosing the right skincare products to add to your cleansing routine can feel a little bit complicated. But don't worry, I'm going to simplify this for you. So for people with oily skin, look for a cleanser specially formulated for oily skin. A foaming or gel-based cleanser works better for this skin type to deep cleanse without stripping the natural oils from your face. Now if you're someone with dry or sensitive skin, opt for an alcohol-free hydrating cleanser that will restore your skin's natural moisture factor and maintain the pH balance. And if you have normal skin like me, use a face wash that doesn't make your skin oily or dry, just keeps it trouble-free and balanced. Now I've recently started using this product to wash my face and I'm totally in love with it. This is a soap-free foaming gel cleanser which removes all the impurities without disturbing the skin's natural moisture balance. It contains calming balm mint and lavender extracts to soothe your skin, and it's also formulated without any artificial fragrances and colors, which is perfect. The best part is that it's also suitable for all skin types. So if you're not sure of what you want, you can definitely give this one a shot. For me, it's like one product with all the benefits I need. Now, even though your hands might not be dirty per se, there's always some dirt, bacteria and germs silently lingering on your hands, and we obviously don't want them on our face. So give them a good wash before you start washing your face. So guys, I've removed all my makeup and I've put my hair behind in a ponytail, and now we can start the process. Take a small amount of face wash on the palm of your hands. Using less cleanser won't get the face clean, while using more will end up being a waste of product. So just take a coin-size amount. Before you apply the cleanser on your face, rub your hands together to create some foam. How you apply the cleanser is just as important as the product you use. Without applying too much pressure, focus the product on your cheeks, forehead, chin, jawline and neck. Don't just stop at your chin. Your jawline and neck are prone to dirt and buildup, and they need some love too. So using a gentle circular motion, massage the cleanser into your skin with light pressure. I used to make the mistake of rubbing my face too hard while massaging, thinking that it'll get off all the dirt and oil, but that did no good to my skin. Your skin isn't a piece of cloth, so be careful. Also, as you apply the cleanser, be careful to avoid getting any of the product on your eyes. Do this for 30 seconds to a minute. After you're done with the massaging process, rinse your face thoroughly with warm water. You may have heard that rinsing your face with cold water helps to close the pores, but that's a myth. Pores do not open and close like a door, so always use lukewarm water on your skin. Repeat after me. I will always pat my skin and not rub. Rubbing can irritate, stretch and potentially cause wrinkles on your skin over time. This is a common mistake we tend to make. Our skin is extremely delicate, so always pat, pat, pat and use a clean towel to avoid pressing bacteria onto your skin. Once you're done with washing and drying the face, it's always a good idea to apply some moisturizer immediately. Seriously, do not miss this step. Applying the moisturizer while the skin is still a little moist and damp allows for extra absorption, maximizing the effects of the active ingredients. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please write to me in the comment section below. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.